Hi everyone, this is Autumn. I'm just going to show you a quick walkthrough for the details that we're talking about that need to be posted into your registration forms. So when you log into your Stack portal, you will arrive on this screen where you see your registration forms. And when you click on any of your programs to edit, you'll see the 6 steps here, and I'm just going to click on number 1. Most of this should be set up, but down here where it says program description, we want a lot more information for our customers. So in the doc that's in the email that I sent out, the operator checklist, we have some templates for you to use to get started with that. And over here on the left side, if you don't see this, you can just click the little menu to expand it. There's a navigation, and you can see in all caps this says Program Details Template. So in this little box right here, we have a nice little template, and you do have to drag and pull down a bit to get all of the details, and you'll just drag and copy everything that you can. Oh, sorry, laptop's being a little weird, but just drag and copy all the way to the end of that last picture, and then you can come straight in here and paste it. So you'll notice all of the highlighted stuff is items that need to be replaced. And if you can find pictures, you want to make sure that they're small enough that they don't take up the entire screen. So I'll just remove that. And then for the yellow items, you're just going to have to, before it, just type your correct dates and then delete the yellow text out. So fill in those program details, and of course just update your venue address, all of that information. This is really important for your customers so that they know when and where they're playing, and then your local contact information as well. Again, we are doing local email boxes, so follow up with me if you haven't received those yet, and I'll make sure to get that for you. So that's the first part, the program description. The last part is in step number 6, confirmation notes. Make sure you save, obviously. I didn't just for this demonstration, but there are 2 parts to the confirmation notes. The first is your order confirmation notes. These are sent out when somebody registers. So also in that same operator checklist down here, there is order confirmation template. So again, just inside the box, you'll click and drag until you get to the bottom. And it's a lot easier if you have a mouse to use, but you'll select everything inside of this box here and copy it. And then you'll just paste it straight into this box and edit the highlighted content. That will give people a lot more information about next steps. And of course, you might have to edit some of it so that it's applicable to your league. The registration dates, just make sure that you read it really closely and pay attention to everything. That way you can make sure that it's accurate for your league. Additionally, I actually copied both of these into one. There's a second template for people who volunteer to coach with your league. I'm actually going to cut this out of there. So that goes right down here in team staff confirmation notes. So you'll paste that for anyone who volunteers as a coach. It goes into a little bit more detail. And over here you can see that's right here. Team volunteer confirmation template. So it starts with thank you for signing up to coach. You'll just copy that, all of the content inside of that text box up until thank you again, coach. We couldn't do it without your support. So copy all of this information and paste it into that box. It goes into a lot of detail for those coaches that they'll be wondering. And if you can make sure to save both of those items in there, your customers will be well informed, and it can really alleviate some of that email communication that you'll receive. Thank you, and let us know if you have any questions on those items. We are happy to help out here at the HQ office.